So I have 3 cats of my own, all who are rescues, and their names are Fajita, Salsa, and the latest is Pinto, sticking with the Mexican theme. And the latest Pinto we adopted from the SPCA. There he is, just roaming around playing. And we got him on December 27th of last year. Found him on Christmas Eve while browsing through some of the shelters that my wife and I had been checking out previously that week. We found him right at closing time, and we weren't allowed to adopt him just then because they were closing and it was really busy. So they said, come back on December 27th and you can be the first one in. We'll let you adopt him. So we came in right when they opened on December 27th. We spent 2 hours with him playing. I think we just we're totally in a daze. We just had so much fun and filled out the paperwork, and we were able to take him home that day. And he's been the best ever since. And it's really awesome. It's nice to be able to adopt a cat and give it a second chance and just know that you're reducing the amount of homeless animals one pet at a time. And I think that one of the most important things people need to realize too when adopting cats or dogs or whoever and taking on a pet, that it's a lifelong responsibility, and you need to be able to commit to that for as long as they need you. And that companionship is a lifelong bond between you and the animal, and that's a very important thing. But my 3 cats are awesome, and I'm delighted to have them.